Hello my friends, today in Open the Box I would like to show you markers from GAAHLERI. Some time ago I was asked about the option to present products of this company on the channel. Out of curiosity I asked for sending metallic markers and airbrush, which I will show in a separate video. There are several companies on the market offering markers for modeling, but these were my first attempt at working with them. The set consists of 10 accurate metallic colors including aluminum, stainless steel, dark iron, gunmetal, zirconium black, red copper, dark gold, scorched gold and flashy gold, providing a perfect palette for any task. From our point of view, they will definitely speed up work on the model due to the simplicity of use and fast drying time. If you need accurate, color-precise metallic finishes, then such a solution as markers is just for you. Designed with high-quality materials and precision, this pack of 10 metallic colors is ideal for a wide range of creative projects. From the technical point, I can say that they are equipped with imported valve-type round tips, which ensure smooth ink flow, reduce marker strokes and prevent sponge fibers from building up, giving you a professional-grade finish every time. They offer superior performance for a flawless metallic effect. Activation of the marker is very simple. Just press the tip and wait a second for the paint. Then you can work easily. In addition to the marker set, I also have markers for rubbing off the paint, which can sometimes be useful. The principle of operation is identical, just as simple as painting. Just apply and wipe off. In conclusion, with its high-quality design, accurate colors and easy-to-use features, the metallic marker set is perfect for adding professional metallic finishes to your models, art and creative projects. And remember that if you want to make a purchase at the GAAHLERI store, use the code coldemonspl to get a 10% discount. You can find the link to the store and all the information in the description of this video. Besides, check out the entire GAAHLERI offer and see if they have anything that will be useful to you in your work on models. Highly recommended. That's all for today, see you next time, cheers!